Hi everyone. Today we'll explore how to use open source generative AI tools for data augmentations and feature engineering. No paid large language models required, just free, community driven libraries that you can start using right away. First, let's start with data augmentation. Open source tools offers great options to expand your dataset. Here are few examples. Use Augmentation to apply transformations like rotation, flipping, cropping, or color shifts to your images. You can also use Deep Dream or OpenCV GANs to generate synthetic images. Next, use NLP augmentations for augmenting text datasets with techniques like synonym replacements, random word insertion, or paraphrasing. Use conditional tabular GAN to generate realistic tabular data. These tools are free and effective for expanding data sets, no matter what type of data you're working with. Now, let's move on to feature engineering. Here are some of open source libraries that can help extract or create new features for your models. Use Spacey to extract linguistic features like named entity, part of speech tags, or dependency parsing. Use tsfresh to automatically extract features from time series data. Next, use feature extractions from models like ResNet or MobileNet in PyTorch for generating embedding for images. By extracting these features, you can reduce dimensionality and capture meaningful patterns from your data. The best part is all these tools are free and backed by active communities. So you'll find plenty of support online. And that's all for today on using open source generative AI tools for data augmentation and feature engineering. These techniques can take your ML projects to the next level without burning your wallet. If you enjoy this, share your favorite open source libraries in the comments. Thanks for watching.